Today, let us take a round of the commercial buildings of Lucknow, which are very elegant and also situated in the non-polluted areas of Lucknow. Livana Cyber Heights is a commercial project developed by Livana Group. The project offers well-designed offices at very affordable prices. The site is well connected by different modes of transportation and is in close proximity of various civic utilities. The project is well equipped with all modern amenities and 24-hour security service to facilitate the business needs. The building is a 10-floor structure and the most of the offices are designed to fulfill the need of any company with 24-hour security, water supply, secured parking, and the food needs are being looked after by the branded food chains like Sagar Ratna and Currys and many more to come up. Here is a space available for rent on the 5th floor facing the exterior of the building, which is about the super area is 2500 square feet and the carpet area is about 1750 square feet, which is ready to move in, and it has been furnished with all the amenities with a well equipped washroom, a kitchen, the central air conditioning, and all the material used while furnishing the office space are of branded qualities. The Kajaria tiles and all the electrification has been done by the material of Havells Group. The AC has been installed by the Blue Star company. So it is one of the ready to move of space for offices and for any company to have a showroom. Now let us talk something more about Lucknow, Gomti Nagar and Vibhuti Khand, where this project is located. Lucknow is the largest city of the state of Uttar Pradesh and a major metropolitan city of India. It is the administrative headquarters of the district and division and the capital of the state of Uttar Pradesh. It is the third largest city in northeast and central India after Delhi and Kolkata, and the second largest city in north and central India after New Delhi. It is also the largest city in Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow has always been known as a multicultural city that flourished as a North Indian culture and artistic hub and the seat of power of Nawabs in the 18th and 19th centuries. It continues to be an important center of governance, administration, education, commerce, aerospace, finance, pharmaceuticals, technology, design, culture, tourism, music and poetry. Gomti Nagar is an area in the North Indian city of Lucknow consisting of both residential and business settlement. It is one of the largest and upcoming areas of Lucknow. Gomti Nagar has the population of over 5 lakhs. It is a planned and organized settlement development by Lucknow Development Authority. Gomti Nagar and Gomti Nagar Extension jointly are the largest well-planned developed township in India. The expected population of this township is expected to touch 15 lakhs by the end of 2021. It is home to high-end premium residential projects, malls, IT parks, commercial property, plots, universities, business centers, multiplexes, clubs, banks, food courts, entertainment centers and financial institutions. The colonies in Gomti Nagar are based on a maximum open space concept, hence most of the plots and houses are park facing and have a mandatory greenery requirement. Gomti Nagar is now developing as the commercial and IT hub of main Lucknow. Till now, the central Lucknow consisting of Hazratganj, Vidhan Sabha Marg and Ashok Marg were the main commercial areas. Many important government offices like Reserve Bank of India, Lucknow Metro, Pickup, CRPF, Customs Division and many more are already situated in Gomti Nagar. The major companies which have already marked their presence in the Gomti Nagar area are Sony, High-Tech Door Experts, Techniflow Software Systems, National Thermal Power Corporation, Urban Axis Infratech, Tata Consultancies, Reliance, Tata Motors, Airtel, BHEL, Indian Oil Corporation, TVS Motors and several other such MNCs or the Indian